Hi everyone and welcome to the next video in our Moodle 3.4 tutorial series. In this video we're going to discuss how to create a page on your Moodle course. So let's say you have one topic but you have multiple items related to that topic that you would really like to be all in one place. A page allows you to put texts, images, other kinds of multimedia, and put it all inside one place. So that way when the student's looking at it, it allows them to sort of understand the situation more because there's multitude of different things with the same subject. So we're going to create this in this video, and to start, we would navigate up to our upper right hand corner, click on the gear as usual, and turn our editing button on. So once your editing button is on, we're going to scroll down to this new section I've created here, which is entitled What is Moodle? So in order to get started, I'm going to click Add an Activity or Resource inside of the topic What is Moodle? And once the page loads, I'm going to scroll down and under Resources, choose Page. So the name of this page is going to be a little bit about Moodle. Now I can write a description if I choose, and in this case I'm just going to include a little bit of previously written text here. Okay, so here's our text, and I'm basically just going to give them a little bit of description about what they're about to see, and it lets them know that there's also some questions that I would like for them to keep in mind for when we meet in class. I'm not going to choose to display this description on the course page. I'm just going to leave it as is, so when they click on the page they'll be able to read this. Now when we scroll down here to the content section, this is where we are going to start putting in all the things that encompass our page. So the first thing I would like to do is include a Meet Your Teacher section, so that way they get an idea of who's teaching them about Moodle. I have a bunch of previously written text that I'm going to paste in here, so that way it makes this go a little bit faster. So here's my introduction to them, and I have a Meet Your Teacher along with an introduction of myself. Now, using my rich content editor, I would like to bold this and italicize it, and I also want to include a photo of myself so they know what I look like. Now to do that, I'm just going to press enter so I have a new line, and here in my rich content editor, choose the little image button, browse my repository, and choose a file from my desktop where I have my photo. Press upload this file, and again I'm going to change the pixels here. So I want to give a description for the image, and then press save image. So now I have an image of myself underneath the Meet Your Teacher and above my introduction, so it gives them a little bit of an idea of who they're working with. Now going forward inside my page, the next thing I want to do is to include a video for them about what Moodle is. So again, I'm going to put some text in here. Here's my text. And what I have here is a What is Moodle and some questions for the students to have answered for our next class. So again, I want to bold What is Moodle so that way it lets it stand out. And now I want to put the video that I want them to watch. So for that, what I need to do is click on the media button here, and this is going to come up, a source URL, and because it's a video, I'm going to click on this tab here, and then inside this box, find the YouTube link that I want to put in here. So I have mine open here. I'm going to copy and paste that URL right in here. And again, Moodle only uses copy and paste functions using your keyboard shortcuts, so keep in mind that you cannot copy and paste using your mouse, so you'll want to use the keyboard shortcuts. It's Command C for copy, Command V for paste on a Mac, and Control C and Control V on a PC. So now that I've put my URL in here, I'm going to click Insert Media. So as you can see, my video has pasted here. And now my next thing that I have here is to read the following questions and have the answers, so we're going to leave that as is. And the last thing I want to do here is post one more video with another question. So we're going to do it the same way. We're going to go to a new line. We're going to put some text in here. And again, I want to bold this so it stands out. And so right in between this text and the question, I want to put my other video. So for that, again, I click my media button, and I want to get my YouTube link. And I paste it right into, well, I want to click video first and then paste the URL in here, press insert media, and then it shows up there. And then it'll ask the question and have it ready for our class. So now I have all of my media that I want to include inside of my page, and now I'm ready to go ahead and save it. So I'm going to press save and return to course. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my page here. And in here you see my introduction with my image that I included. And we scroll down here and we see our What is Moodle along with the video that we posted. And then here we have the questions that we were asking our students and our last video that shows up here as well. So you can see how a page allows you to take multiple kinds of media, that all pertain to one topic and keep it in one compact place so it's easy for your students to view and understand.